Have you ever wondered how a small plant in nurseries can bear lots of fruits and flowers? They are grown by air layering and grafting methods, which promotes flowering and fruiting in any small plant within 6 months. And these methods are performed on matured plants or trees or with branches of mature trees which are already fruiting. So today we will see air layering method on guava tree, and I will show you the entire process with tips and results. So stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back. I am Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. So the very first thing that you need to know about air layering is, in this method we don't cut the branch to propagate it. We develop roots into it first and then we repot it. Secondly, you can perform this method on almost all types of plants or trees, be it fruit tree, flowering tree or ornamental plants, which has semi-hardwood stems. So for performing air layering, you need to choose a healthy and mature tree or plant and look for a stem with at least half to 1 inch width. Now remove about 1 to 2 inches of bark layer of this stem using knife. You need to do it carefully. Make sure you don't cut the branch. You just need to remove the bark of it. So this is how it should look after peeling the bark, and now you need to scrub the yellow skin of the stem gently, and this will promote the root formation. Now you'll need some media to cover the peeled stem. I'm using Cocopeat here in this bag. You can use only garden soil or soil and compost mixture also. Now make a slit so that you can attach it to the stem properly. Use tape or rope, anything, but make sure it's covering the stem from all the sides. Now if we talk about what is the perfect time to perform air layering method on plants, I would say you can do it any time of the year except during plants' dormancy period and avoid during peak summers. However, spring and monsoon is the perfect time as it is the growth period of plants. So this is how you have to secure it. You have to attach it properly with the stem, and make sure while watering your plants in the garden, pour some water onto it every other day to maintain moisture into it. So this is how it will look in about 40 to 50 days. You will see many roots, and that is the time when it is ready for repotting. Now cut the branch carefully, and if you're planning to plant it in a pot, then prune its big branches. Now let's open it up and check out its root formation, and then we will repot it. And make sure you do it carefully without damaging its roots. Wow, the roots are well grown and it's very much ready to be repotted, and I'm planning to grow it in garden. Now we'll trim the extra stem. You can see over here, right? So below this portion we'll cut this part and then we will repot it. So I'm growing this plant in the garden area, and if you're planning to put it into a pot, make sure after planting keep your pot in partial shade for a couple of days, and there has to be moisture in the pot. It shouldn't dry out completely. And water it regularly, and within 6 months the plant will start producing fruit. Do let me know how was the video, and if you have any questions you can ask me through comments, and I will come up with one more interesting video soon. Bye bye.